Let's talk about a secret drink that can help you if you are 70 plus. Are you tired of feeling tired all the time? Are you getting out of bed and you just don't have that get up and go anymore? Or maybe you're driving and then you want to take a nap. But this one drink can really help you. And it is very simple. It's actually made up of two drinks that you're going to blend together. So we'll talk about that in just a second. I am the co-founder of a health company. We've sold over 3 million products worldwide, and today I'm going to share with you the 70-plus drink. But here's the thing. If you're not quite 70 yet, you're probably going to want to know about this too, because as we age, we start to lose muscle mass, and there are many side effects to that. One of them being fatigue. You see, when we start to lose muscle mass, our metabolism slows down, our energy production slows down. But what if I told you you could turn back your biological clock and feel healthier and more energetic than you have in years? What would that do for you? What kind of difference would that make in your life? This isn't some miracle cure, but it can definitely help boost your energy levels so you can enjoy your golden years to the fullest. So let's dive in. There's two drinks that are really important to blend together. Both of these drinks have their own benefits. But when you blend them together, it creates an extraordinary result. So the first drink that we're going to use is lemon juice. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C. Now, vitamin C does a lot of things. It's involved in over 400 different chemical reactions in the body. But one of the things that it does, it actually aids in the production of carnosine. Carnosine is actually an antioxidant that helps fight off free radicals. Free radicals, if you don't know, they cause damage to your cells. They age you faster, and they can cause disease. So, anything that we can do to neutralize free radicals is a good thing. Vitamin C also helps build collagen, which helps your joints, your skin, your hair, your nails, everything. But one of the things that vitamin C is really known for, it can help increase your energy. Let me give you an example. There was a study done at the University of California, Los Angeles. They took people who were deficient in vitamin C, gave them a drink that was high in vitamin C, and within 4 weeks, those people had increased their performance by 26%. Increased their performance how? Well, they were more productive, they were less fatigued, and they felt better overall. So when we blend in lemon juice, what we're doing is we're blending in an antioxidant. We're blending in something that can neutralize free radicals. We're blending in something that can increase your energy. The next thing that we're going to put into this drink is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is fermented. It has friendly bacteria, and that friendly bacteria helps your digestion. Good digestion means that you're going to absorb more nutrients from the foods that you eat. But apple cider vinegar also has something called acetic acid. Acetic acid has been shown to help lower your blood sugar. So if you have insulin resistance, or you're pre-diabetic, or you're diabetic, this can help you. It's also been shown to help you lose weight and reduce fat. But here's what's amazing about apple cider vinegar. It also has been shown to help increase your energy. How does it do that? Well, apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity. When you have improved insulin sensitivity, you're able to get more fuel into your cells. Your cells are able to absorb more fuel and burn more fuel. And so when you add apple cider vinegar, what you're doing is you're adding something that can improve insulin sensitivity, which allows your body to get more fuel into your cells, which increases your energy. The next thing that we're going to put into this drink is berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals cause aging. Free radicals cause inflammation, and they cause disease. So we want to neutralize free radicals. The best way to neutralize free radicals is with antioxidants. But there's another benefit to berries. It's called anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is something that gives berries their color. It's also been shown to help with memory. It can help protect your brain. It's also been shown to help with eye health. So when we add the berries, what we're adding is antioxidants to help neutralize free radicals, but we're also adding anthocyanin, which can help with memory, it can help protect your eyes, and it can help protect your brain. The next thing that we're going to put into this drink is spinach. Spinach is loaded with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is great for detoxifying your body. Chlorophyll actually has been shown to kill viruses and bacteria. It's very detoxifying. It's also a great source of magnesium, and magnesium is needed to make energy in your body. In fact, magnesium is involved in over 300 different chemical reactions, one of them being making energy. So when we blend in spinach, what we're doing is we're blending in something that can detoxify your body, but we're also blending in something that can help make energy in your body. The next thing that we're going to put in this drink is ginger. Ginger is amazing. Not only does it taste good, but it has something called gingerol. Gingerol is a powerful antioxidant. It's anti-inflammatory, and it can help with nausea. So if you suffer from nausea or you have an upset stomach, ginger can really help you. It also has been shown to help lower blood pressure, reduce pain, and help with circulation. But my favorite thing about ginger is its ability to reduce nausea. If you're suffering from nausea or you have an upset stomach, ginger can definitely help you. The last ingredient that we're going to put into this drink is chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber. Fiber helps your digestion, but chia seeds are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Those omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation. They can also help support heart health. They can help support brain health. But there's another benefit to chia seeds. They're full of protein. Protein is needed to build muscle. Protein is needed to repair muscle. As we age, we lose muscle mass. But if we can build muscle, what we can do is we can increase our resting metabolism by up to 500 calories a day. That's like having an extra cookie or a piece of cake every single day without gaining any weight. So when we blend in chia seeds, what we're doing is we're blending in something that can help your digestion, but we're also blending in something that can help reduce inflammation. We're blending in something that can support your heart, support your brain, and we're blending in something that can help build muscle and increase your resting metabolism. So let me show you how to blend all of these ingredients together. For the base, we're going to use carbonated water. Carbonated water will give you a little fizz, a little sparkle to your drink. We're going to use 1 ripe avocado, 1 organic lemon, 1 cup of berries that could be mixed berries or any of your favorite berries, 1 handful of spinach, 3 inches of fresh ginger, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Put all these ingredients into a blender with 3 cups of carbonated water and blend. And you should have a nice drink that looks like this. This is the 70+ drink. It can help increase your energy, but it can help improve your health. Anything that we can do to reduce free radicals, reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and anything that we can do to build muscle is going to help us live a healthier life, live a better life, and age slower. So give this drink a shot. I think you're going to love it. And if you have any questions, leave them below.